Welcome to our channel, tech enthusiasts! Today we are diving into the world of smartwatches with a unique contender, the Apple HK9 Pro Plus smartwatch. Claimed to be the finest clone of the Apple Series 9 watch, this device boasts an AMOLED display and a substantial 2GB ROM. Join us as we unravel the features, advantages, and possible drawbacks of this intriguing smartwatch. Once upon a time, in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, a remarkable smartwatch emerged, the Apple HK9 Pro Plus. As the finest clone of the coveted Apple Series 9 watch, it promises a journey into the future of wearable technology. Picture this, a stunning AMOLED display that captivates your senses and a generous 2GB ROM that ensures your digital world is at your fingertips. Today we embark on an adventure to uncover the secrets and potential of the Apple HK9 Pro Plus. Pros and cons. AMOLED brilliance. The standout feature of the Apple HK9 Pro Plus is its AMOLED display, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether you're glancing at notifications or tracking your fitness, the visual experience is nothing short of breathtaking. 2GB ROM powerhouse. With a spacious 2GB ROM, this smartwatch provides ample storage for your favorite apps, music, and more. Say goodbye to the limitations of a crowded device and welcome the freedom to personalize your smartwatch experience. Seamless integration. One of the pros is its seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. Enjoy the convenience of syncing your watch with your iPhone, iPad, or Mac effortlessly. Access your messages and calls, and even control your music, all from the comfort of your wrist. Sleek design. The Apple HK9 Pro Plus doesn't just excel in performance, it's also a fashion statement. The sleek design and premium build make it an accessory that complements your style while providing cutting-edge technology. Battery life concerns. However, no device is perfect. One drawback to consider is the potential impact on battery life due to the power-hungry AMOLED display. Users may need to find a balance between display brilliance and battery preservation. Clone quality. While being a clone of a popular product has its perks, some users may question the originality and longevity of the Apple HK9 Pro Plus. We delve into whether it's a true competitor or just a temporary thrill. Limited app ecosystem. Another point to note is the limited app ecosystem compared to mainstream smartwatches. While it covers the essentials, app enthusiasts might find themselves wanting more diversity and options. Fitness tracking precision. As a smartwatch, fitness tracking is a key feature. We explore the accuracy and precision of the Apple HK9 Pro Plus in monitoring your steps, heart rate, and other health metrics. Durability test. A smartwatch that withstands the test of time is essential. We subject the Apple HK9 Pro Plus to a durability test to see how it fares against the challenges of everyday use. If you're intrigued by the Apple HK9 Pro Plus and want to explore whether it's the right fit for your lifestyle, hit that subscribe button and join us on this tech journey. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and comment below with your thoughts on the Apple HK9 Pro Plus. As we conclude our journey into the Apple HK9 Pro Plus, we've uncovered the brilliance of its AMOLED display, the power of its 2GB ROM, and the nuances that make it stand out in the smartwatch arena. Remember, the world of technology is ever-changing, and it's up to us to decide which innovations enhance our lives. Until next time, stay tech-savvy, stay curious, and keep exploring the possibilities that the future holds.